There's a certain electricity in the air right now. A tension every creator, filmmaker, vlogger, and adrenaline junkie can feel. It's the calm before the storm, the quiet pause before a seismic shift in the world of creative technology. And at the center of this anticipation sits one name, DJI, the company that reshaped aerial cinematography with drones, redefined stabilization with its gimbals, and empowered creators with compact tools is preparing for its next big leap. But this time, the excitement isn't about conquering the skies. Instead, it's about taking storytelling to new heights from the ground, the ocean, and every thrilling adventure in between. Welcome to the unfolding story of the DJI Osmo Action 6, an upcoming device that could be far more than just another action camera. Based on leaks, insider whispers, and carefully pieced together information, this camera may represent a true reinvention of what action cams can achieve. If these reports are true, the Osmo Action 6 might not simply compete with the likes of the GoPro Hero series or Insta360's innovations. It could set a brand new benchmark for portable filmmaking in 2025. Looking back, DJI's action camera journey before diving into what's next, it's worth tracing how DJI reached this point. Their entry into the action camera space was bold, especially since GoPro had long dominated the category. Osmo Action 2019. The debut model introduced dual screens, a huge hit among vloggers, and rugged durability. It showed that DJI wasn't afraid to innovate. Osmo Action 2 2021. A daring modular design made it unique, but it suffered from overheating issues and mixed feedback from users. Osmo Action 3 2022. DJI recalibrated with a more traditional design, improved usability and strong durability. Osmo Action 4 2023. This one hit harder. With impressive low-light performance, extended battery life, and much better stabilization, it became a serious GoPro rival. Osmo Action 5 Pro 2024. A refined version that catered to both adventurers and professionals, proving DJI's ability to balance creativity with practicality. Each generation taught DJI something new, but none of them, not even the highly praised Action 4, generated the same kind of whispers and anticipation that we're now hearing about the Osmo Action 6, the rumored leap. Why Action 6 could be different, industry insiders claim. DJI has been working on this model for over 2 years, carefully listening to feedback from athletes, filmmakers, travel vloggers, and everyday creators. Instead of incremental updates, the Osmo Action 6 is rumored to be a full rethinking of what an action cam should be in today's content-driven world. The company reportedly asked itself some big questions. What if an action cam could truly deliver cinematic quality footage without requiring bulky rigs? What if AI-driven intelligence made manual tweaking almost unnecessary? What if creators could record, edit, and share on the fly, all from a device that fits in their pocket? The answers may be revealed in the Osmo Action 6, and if half the leaks are accurate, we're looking at something groundbreaking: Core-inch sensor. The cinematic core. One of the most exciting rumors is that the Action 6 will feature a 1-inch sensor, a massive step up compared to previous Osmo models and many competitors. Why does this matter? Better low-light performance, larger pixels capture more light, making nighttime or indoor footage look clean and vibrant. Improved dynamic range. Richer shadows and highlights help footage feel cinematic, even in harsh environments like bright beaches or snowy peaks. Richer color depth. Early leaks suggest a new 14-bit color pipeline, meaning more flexibility in color grading for professionals. Enhanced HDR video. Expect stunning contrast and lifelike detail in scenes with mixed lighting. If true, this would put DJI ahead of GoPro, which still relies on smaller sensors. A 1-inch sensor in an action camera could make the Osmo Action 6 the go-to choice for filmmakers who want cinematic quality in a pocketable device. Video. Future-proof filmmaking resolution wars are nothing new, but DJI might be preparing to leap ahead again. Rumors suggest the Action 6 could support 8K video capture at higher frame rates. This would unlock massive detail retention for large screens or future projects, crop flexibility in post-production, allowing filmmakers to reframe shots without losing quality. Future-proofing content for years, as 8K displays slowly become mainstream. Combined with advanced stabilization, 8K footage could make even the most chaotic adventure look silky smooth and professionally shot. RockSteady 4.0 and AI-Enhanced stabilization is where DJI already excels, but the Osmo Action 6 could take it further with RockSteady 4.0. Using advanced gyros and AI-driven motion prediction, the system might handle intense movement like never before. Imagine sprinting downhill, surfing rough waves, or mountain biking across rocky terrain. Your footage would still look steady, almost as if shot on a professional gimbal. The addition of AI HorizonSteady could mean perfect horizon leveling in even the most chaotic situations. AI intelligence. The silent game-changer. One of the most exciting rumored features is AI-powered scene detection. Think of it this way. The camera recognizes when you're underwater and automatically optimizes white balance. It detects sunsets and shifts to a cinematic color profile. It notices rapid motion and adjusts stabilization strength dynamically. This means creators can focus on storytelling, not fiddling with settings. DJI could be merging AI creativity tools with adventure filming in a way that hasn't been seen before. Connectivity and smartwatch control. Another rumor that stands out is the integration with wearables. The Osmo Action 6 might pair with a smartwatch or other connected devices, allowing users to stop recording remotely, switch shooting modes, monitor battery levels and storage. For creators who mount cameras on helmets, cars, or drones, this could be a game-changing convenience. Battery life. Longer. Faster, smarter. The Osmo Action 4 already set high standards, but insiders suggest the Action 6 will go even further. Up to 4 hours of continuous shooting on one. Charge 80% charge in under 20 minutes. Thanks to new fast-charging technology, IntelliCell, battery tech for smarter power, distribution for adventurers on long treks or content creators filming entire days. This could make the difference between catching the moment or missing it. Storage, filters, and audio. Several other rumored upgrades round out the package, built-in storage options alongside microSD support. Perfect for emergencies or remote shoots. Integrated ND filter support, giving professionals easier exposure control. Directional microphones with noise cancellation, plus native support for DJI's wireless mics. No need for bulky external gear. This would mean better sound quality for vloggers, clearer voice capture for travel creators, and more polished results straight out of the camera. Rugged design, refined, yet reliable durability has always been a hallmark of the Osmo line, and Action 6 is expected to deliver once again. Early leaks suggest slimmer, more aerodynamic build, better heat management, improved waterproofing without extra housing, new lens coating to reduce glare, smudges, and water spots. This refinement could make it the most reliable adventure camera DJI has ever built. Release date and price. While nothing is confirmed, most insiders predict a late 2025 release, likely during DJI's fall event. Pricing is expected to be in the $399–$449 range, putting it squarely against the GoPro Hero 14. Considering the rumored feature set, that price could feel like a steal. Why this camera matters. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just about specs. It's about vision. DJI appears to understand the modern creator's needs, a tool that can vanish into the background while delivering professional results. Whether you're a filmmaker scaling mountains, traveler capturing once-in-a-lifetime adventures, a vlogger documenting daily stories, or even a professional needing compact backup gear, this camera could serve as the bridge between spontaneity and cinematic precision.